Hi everyone, it's Danielle from Rosetta Vera. I'm back with another subscription box. This is Fresh Cut Kentucky. So this is also a wax melt sampler box. And let me tell you a little bit about Fresh Cut before I get into it. So Fresh Cut Kentucky is located in Louisville, Kentucky. Let me make sure I say that. Louisville. I gotta be careful. I used to go to Louisville. People used to get mad at me about how I said it. Kentucky. This is a garden in Kentucky, and they make a variety of goods. They sell a variety of goods. They sell the wax melt box. They sell flowers, fresh cut flowers, and you can sign up for their sampler box on their website, or you can sign up on Cratejoy, which is what I did. So I'll share their direct link and also Cratejoy's link. So for in this sampler box, you get, I believe, one clamshell with 6 cubes of a particular scent for the month. They also donate flowers to their local community. It's 100% plastic free and recyclable shipping. So prices for the subscription are as low as $5.91 a month if you order multiple months. I only ordered 1 month. I may let it renew, so I paid $5.95, but I think I got a deal on Cratejoy when I ordered this. So let's get into this. So, oh, actually it's not packaged the way I thought. So this is April's box, and it says, "Hello, April. Hand-poured wax melts, the sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the flowers are finally starting to bloom." So actually inside here, it's a little different than I thought it was going to be. There's not 6 samples of the same fragrance. There's actually 6 different types of fragrances, which I actually like that. And the samples, as you can see, are pretty large. So I normally use about 2 cubes in my warmer, but I think this is large enough I could use 1. So the first one here is called Fresh New Day. It says the clean scent of ozone, baby powder, and ripe mulberries. So that's that. The next one is jelly beans, and I guess that's for the Easter holiday. A fruity collection of wild cherry, tangy strawberry, cinnamon, and vanilla. Definitely Easter themed. I see bunnies in the garden. And it says, "Don't get me wrong, bunnies are super cute. I just wish they would stop eating all of the carrots." So that's the description for it. That's cute. Then we have Farm Stand Berries, which is a delicious blend of elderberries, boysenberries, guava, and fresh pomegranate juice. We have Peach Blossom, the scent of juicy peaches mingled with mimosa flower, mandarin, and neroli. And then finally we have carrot cupcakes. I actually make a pretty good carrot cake from scratch. Maybe I'll share the recipe at some point. But this is carrot cupcakes, and it says, "A truly yummy blend of spicy clove, nutmeg, and carrot. Don't forget the cream cheese frosting." So actually, I really like this setup. I like that you get 6 different scents, because that means I don't have to smell the same thing all the time. I tend to get bored with my scents and change them all the time. So I like the idea that I have 6 different things to choose from over the month. I'm going to let this renew for next month and see what scents pop up then. But there you have Fresh Cut Kentucky. Check them out. I'll put the links below. And as always, like this video, subscribe to find out more about me and the content I'm sharing. And if you'd like me to pick up another subscription service similar, I do have some other subscription services that I'll be opening over the next couple of weeks. Just let me know. So thanks.